In this film, I will show how a video call in Visiba Care works from a healthcare professional's perspective. I see myself in the lower left of the view and the patient in the big picture. If I click on the patient name, I get more information about the patient, such as their NHS number and telephone number. I can choose to see myself in the big picture by clicking here. This can be useful if I want to show the patient something, such as an exercise. I can also choose to hide my own image by clicking here. This allows the patient to still see me, but I do not get distracted by my own image. Here I can turn off my camera and my microphone. If I talk when my microphone is muted, a message is displayed so I know to quickly turn it back on. Here I can share my screen. Patients using the web interface can also share their screen. However, they cannot share a screen if they use the app. If my headset disconnects, another audio device switches on automatically and a message is displayed. To take a screenshot during the call, I use the operating system's screenshot function. Here in the chat, I can write a message to the patient. I can also attach files such as a picture or a video clip. I choose which file I want to upload and can then see a thumbnail for preview. Once I've sent it, it can be viewed in a larger format. The files are automatically saved both here in the call and in the calendar. If I click more options and then settings, I can see my audio and video settings. Here I can, for example, change headsets or test my microphone and speakers during the call. If I have problems with the internet connection during the call, I get a warning message. When I want to end the call, I click hang up. I can also meet several participants in a multi-party conversation. I can have up to 9 participants in one meeting, and I can see all 9 in the picture at the same time, in addition to my own picture. In this conversation, I have invited 4 participants, guests and patients. Here I see the names of the participants and if they have turned off their microphone. If I click on the name, I get more information about the participant. Here I see that it is a guest, then a phone number and which login method the guest has used. The participant information is only seen by me as a healthcare professional. It is not shown to guests or patients in the conversation. If I click on the 3 dots here, I can remove a patient from the call. Now I see the participants in gallery view, where all participants are shown at the same time. By clicking here on more options, I can choose if I want to see the participants in a speaker view instead, where the participant who speaks is shown in a large picture, while the others are shown in a small picture up here. If there are many participants in a meeting, I may want to reduce my own image. Then I use the computer's own system to reduce the image and enlarge it again. I click on the image and then Ctrl+ to enlarge it and Ctrl- to make it smaller again. When I want to end the call, I click hang up. Here I can choose whether I want to leave the conversation or end it for all participants.